Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll discuss how to install and download and install Anaconda on Windows machine, and a little intro of Anaconda, how to use and how to install different packages in Anaconda. So let's start. Subscribe the channel if you are new to channel. Now go to Google, open your browser and search Anaconda. Now this is official website. Click on this. Now here, click on here. Download Anaconda. If you are new to channel, please subscribe the channel. Now here you need to download according to your operating system. If you are a Windows user, you can download Windows setup, and if you are Mac OS, then you can download Mac OS setup. And if you are Linux user, you need to download Linux setup. I am on Windows. I download this one. Now here there are two versions: Python 3.6 version and Python 2.7 version. Python 3.6 version is updated version, and 2.7 is uh, in past version. There are a lot of work done in 2.7. If you want to use old libraries, then you need to install 2.7 version, and I recommend this one, 3.6 one. Now here you need to download 64-bit or 32-bit according to your system specification. Like here, how you can check. Now you can check here, system type 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor, depend on your processor, 32-bit or 64-bit. So I download this one, 64-bit. Click on download. It's take a little time, depends on your internet speed. I already download this one, so you can see here Anaconda 3.5.2.0, the same version. Now let's move on to install. Click on the exe file. Now here open. Click on next. Click on I agree. Now here you need to select the user you want, for all users or only the user you are logged in at that time. I just want for this user. So this thing matter a lot, because when you try to install packages or anything, any other thing, you need to select your users folder if you install in your user folder. And if you select all user, then it's global, you can easily install your packages and etc. Now click on next. Now here the path where you want to install, you can see user Anaconda in users. Click on, and this space required 3.0 GB, 3 matlab about 3 GB. So click on next. Now here you need to select add Anaconda path environment variable and click on install. Now it's take a little time. Now here you can watch other videos on my channel, here Python zone. In this playlist you can see different installation of different packages, how to
Today I'll
uninstall
show
and
you how to
install different packages in Python, like NumPy, Matplotlib, how to install it the manually from download packages from website and put them in a folder, and how to install using command. So if you need any help while installing different packages, make sure to watch from here. to install manually or by using commands. Share your time and like the video if it's helped you, and subscribe the channel if you are new to channel. I am pausing video here until it's complete. Now our installation is complete. Now click on next. Now if you need Microsoft Visual Code, then you can install from here, and if you don't need, then you just need to click on skip. Now click on finish. It's open two tabs for your intro. Let's open Anaconda. Now here there are two options: Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda Prompt. Now first we check the Anaconda Navigator, then we check Anaconda Prompt. It's take a little time to open in first time, so be patient while. It's initializing. The Anaconda prompt is used to install different packages to update your Anaconda and different from Anaconda prompt. You just need to run your commands for installation, and this will work for in just one click. You don't need to set any path, any extra any environment for this. And you can click on don't show again. Now here your options are available: Anaconda Spyder, Notebook, Jupyter Lab, and etc. You can install all these to Visual Code and many more. So I'll open here Anaconda Spyder. I need to work on this, and I'll show you also Notebook or Jupyter Lab. On first time, it's take a little time to open. It's opening, initializing. Anaconda is user friendly. It's too easy to work on Anaconda. It provides multi tabs. As we know, and Python is a interpreter based language, and you can test your command one by one if you want, and you can write a whole code in Anaconda. I'll show you. Be patient while first time, and if you are new to Python, I'll suggest you to use Anaconda. It's provide many benefits and quite easy in different things like when you want to install packages. So our Anaconda is quite ready. Close the first one. No one is open. Now here, if you want to create new file, you can click here, and this is your new file. When you right here, you can run the code as a whole, and when you want to run line by line a code, like I want to run print, you can see we can execute our code line by line in this place. And if you want to write whole code and run, and then you need to write here and then run from here. And first you need to save your file, like here, and you can see your result and the path of your file. So this is Python, and this is quite good feature in of Anaconda. Then you can check your code anytime you want, and you can execute, and you can write whole code from here. And this is used to run your code, and this is debugger and many more. So this is Anaconda Spyder for Python. Now we check Jupyter. Now I'll tell you about Anaconda prompt. Now here you need to select Python console base, or you write to code, like I need I select console base, and I write Python. Now here, Anaconda prompt is open. Now if I want to install somebody, I need this package, so I'm installing this one. You just need to paste the command like pip install, and then your package name, and this is a package OpenCV Python. So I need this one, so I'm installing this one from Anaconda prompt. You can install easily, and you don't need any environment, create any environment, any other thing. So let's test. uh, I'll show you the Jupyter and notebook in my next lecture video, because I'm new to this. So good luck, guys. If you are new to channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you have any suggestion or query, feel free to comment below, or any problem. It is collecting information. Now you can see it's installing. You can take help from Stack Overflow, and I have different answers on Stack Overflow. You can see here. This is my answer and many more for matplotlib, numpy, and there are a lot of packages in Python. And I think without packages there is nothing in Python. So and it's installed. It is quite hard to install packages, and you can take help from this playlist. In this playlist, I
When
I
it comes
explain
to
different
crypto,
ways, different ways to install packages in Python manually and using pip command, using conda command. So subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below. It's take a little time to install this package, and you can install the packages by this way: pip install Anaconda. So good luck, guys. If you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Subscribe the channel. Allround Zone.